In this video we are going to learn about the container widget. So basically when we implement the container widget, then we can also add a number of widget inside the container. So container widget mainly used for the decorating the container for entire. We can give the container background, we can also set the container foreground and its widths and its heights, and number of property also have for we can it is help to decorate the child widget also and container widget also. So now I add the one container. So I here right side we are see that its property padding and alignment. Using padding we can configure here its padding. Currently I add here 200. We can also add the left side and right side, and we can also its alignment where we can put in our page. And currently I reset and here next is container properties is a circle or square. So we can also set the width and height. Currently I width set here infinity, but we can also set here 150, 200, but I set here infinity. And here border color, background color and the border radius. Now currently I select the background color ternary, and border radius. For border radius I set here padding, left padding and right padding. Now here no radius currently have, so now I add here 10 radius. So now in UI builder we can see that in 4 corner 10 radius is adjusted. Also border width also we can configure here, and so we can also pseudo configure with pseudo blur and everything which is required for container. And its child, suppose I add here one text and which is added left top side. So I want to this text to center, then I select a child and add in a center of widget. I increase it font size 26 and its background text color. Now also we can configure a XY position of the child widget. So here we can number of its property requirement wise we can configure here. So this is a container. Now we can run this project. Now project is started. Now we can see that one container is one child element and its for background color, and also we can add 10 border radius. So border radius is also applied into container. So this way we can add the container in a Flutterflow.